Tell Me Lies season premiere means we have to recreate this face. Grace Van Patten's makeup style is one of my favorite celebrity looks. Grace has a really sultry eye, and then her skin is just really natural and really fresh. So let's try and recreate this. Since the skin is really natural, I really need to hydrate. I'm gonna start with the Barrier Essence from Haru Haru Wonder. For a little bit of extra hydration, I'm going to spray Road Glazing Mist. I'm going to start with the eyes first and let that skincare really soak in. They're prepped with concealer and a little bit of powder. Now I'm just taking the Hoola bronzer and I'm just putting this all over the lid. The main character of all of her looks is definitely the eyeliner, so I'm keeping the eyeshadow really simple. Taking this YSL black eyeliner and I'm just tightlining my lash line. And then I'm just putting a little bit in the lash line. Okay, I've always wanted to do this, but I'm kind of scared. I've seen this all over people just rubbing their eyes. Okay, I feel like that does not look good. Maybe if I just keep rubbing, it will get there. Okay, I think it looks fine, but I'm gonna just clean up a little bit underneath the eye, but it doesn't look like I just have a giant black eye. Now with this brown Essence eyeliner, I'm just gonna tightline my lash line again. This is just gonna soften and blend out that black. For now, I'm gonna leave the eyes and then come back. I'm going to start underpainting with this e.l.f. Camo Contour. I'm just putting it on the cheeks and also on the forehead, everywhere that I normally would contour. Now I'm gonna go in with my skin tint. My favorite way to apply a skin tint or a foundation that's really gonna give you a natural skin-like finish is spreading it out on the back of my hand first and then pressing into the skin with a sponge. I'm just lightly going to define my brows. Blush, she always has something really neutral, so I'm using Gloss Labs Glassy Cinnamon. This is just adding a little bit of color and some glow. For just a little bit of pink, I'm going to add Makeup by Mario Pink Chai. Just tapping that in with my finger. Don't want a lot of concealer, I just want a touch of coverage. So I'm using my NARS Creamy Pot Concealer. I love that she always has her freckles showing. I do not have any, so I'm going to add some with this Tarte Freckle pen. Now I just need to set everything with my one size translucent powder. With this Patrick Ta palette, I really just want to smoke everything out a little bit more. So take that under the lash line. I'm going to use this Pat McGrath blurring spray. Now I'm going to do my brow gel. Curled my lashes, and now I'm using the new YSL mascara I posted about yesterday because it is insane. For highlight, I'm adding a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury wand, a little bit on the tops of the cheeks. Lisa's lips are always really pouty and matte, so I'm going to contour my lips a little bit with Makeup Forever and this brown, and I'm just blending that in right away. Now with Hazelnut from ABH, I'm just going to blend those two together. On my favorite MAC lipstick, Honey Love, just adding this on top and blend them together. Okay, you guys, here is my version of Grace Van Patten's signature makeup look. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling this makeup. It's like the ultimate cool girl look. Let me know what you guys think and if you're watching the new season.